Hey everyone! Welcome back to LogicLyft, where we keep programming simple. Today's lesson is all about one of Python's most important features, block indentation. What is indentation? Indentation simply means adding spaces at the beginning of a line of code. Other programming languages like Java or C use braces to define blocks of code, but Python uses indentation instead. For example, in Python, if you want to define a function, you do this, def my_function, a equals 2, return a here. The two indented lines are part of the function block. The indentation shows Python that these lines belong to the function. Let's see how Python knows what's inside or outside a block. Print my_function, hashtag this is outside the function block. If we wrote print my_function without indenting it, Python understands it as being outside the function. Control structures use indentation too. Like this, if a greater than b, print a, else print b. Notice, else is aligned with if, and the lines inside the if and else blocks are indented. Can we write it all in one line? Yes, Python allows this, but it's not recommended. If a greater than b, print a, else print b. This might work, but it's not good style. It makes your code harder to read. What happens if we mess up the indentation? Watch this example. If x greater than y, y equals x, print y. This gives an indentation error, because Python expected everything to line up correctly. What if you need a block but have no code yet? Use the pass statement, def will_be_implemented_later, pass. Pass tells Python, I'll write this later, don't throw an error now. Tabs versus spaces. What should I use? Python allows both, but according to the official style guide called PEP8, you should always use 4 spaces for indentation, and never mix tabs and spaces, especially in Python 3, that will break your code. Final tips: be consistent, use 4 spaces, don't mix tabs and spaces, use indentation to show what belongs inside a block. Don't try to write everything in one line. That's it for today's topic, block indentation in Python. If this video helped you, drop a like and hit subscribe. And remember, at LogicLyft, we always keep it simple. See you in the next one.